This is my quick review of the active straps for the Meta Quest 3 controllers. I've been using these for the last 5 days and I took some notes over here of things I liked about these and things I disliked. So I just want to go through all of them so you make a better purchase decision. So let's start with the positive side. So the first thing I like about these is that they're very easy to install. What you have to do is to simply remove the cover, the battery cover, and glide the strap over here, put back the active strap that comes with their own battery covers, and that's all. So in less than 2 minutes you can get these installed, and to adjust them it's very easy as well. You just have to wear it and clip and unclip this Velcro over there. Another thing that I like about these straps is they do the job that they're intended to. I feel that it's much more secure than the original strap by a lot, especially if you're playing some sports game. I like to play some boxing game like Thrill of the Fights or even Beat Sabers, for example, where I really have to swing my hands very hard, and with the normal strap that wasn't a problem. I mean, I never dropped my controllers, but with these I don't have to constantly even hold the controller. You see over there, just by wearing the strap like this, even if the palm of my hand is open, I'm still able to hold the controller. And this could be great in case you want, for example, to use your fingers for something else. Let's say you have your smartphone around and you want to take a break and you don't want to remove the controller, you don't want to put down the controllers. You can still, use your fingers and manipulate stuff in the real world at the same time. So definitely they give a very snug grip, and it really depends how much grip you want, since they're very adjustable here. Now, what are the negatives of these active straps? Well, I found two. The first one is, well, you need two hands to remove the controller once you wear it. So let's say you have your controller in your hand, and if I want to remove this with one hand, it's hard. You see, if I want to put this controller down, it's possible, but you really need to push with your thumb, and I guess you won't do it like this. So every time I want to remove this, I have to take my other hand and slide it out. I don't think it's such a big deal, but for some people, having to use both hands to remove your controllers could be bothersome. Another thing that I find to be a negative, again, it's to be expected, is that you're gonna sweat more using those compared to the original strap that came with your Quest 3 controller. So the original strap goes around your wrist and most people don't sweat over here. But in this case, since there is contact over there and it's large, if your hand is sweating, well, the sweat can get over here and you may need to wash these after a few sessions, depending how much you sweat from your hands. Overall, I highly recommend them, even though they have those two negative points, since they do their job very well. If you're playing sports game or shooter games or any games that you really do fast movement with your hands and you're afraid that you're gonna drop the controller, or you don't want to keep your fingers on the controller all the time, and you want to release sometimes, maybe to aerate your hand, maybe just to relax your hand, well, these are great options. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, if you want to get these from Amazon, I have put links in the description down below. Check them out. If not, just leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.